excited. I know some of you saw this as a sneak peek on one of my videos. I think it was the Fold It one. But I had this in the background over here, and now we finally have them. So what is it? It is a 2-pack of brush holders, but not just brush holders. In fact, I don't want you to call them brush holders because they do so much more. You get a 2-pack. They have our logo on the front, so you can see that, which I'm really excited about. And they hold, yes, they hold brushes. And here's another one that is holding more brushes. How many brushes? In all honesty, you guys, I've never really tried to figure it out. I've had this for a while now, and I'm just trying to get it on the website. It holds quite a few. I mean, look at that. That's one. Hang on. One,
nice
2, 3,
you can
4,
have them all out
6,
then,
7,
right? You can just find the one you want. It's right.
Yes.
You don't have to dig through a pile.
Easy access. Easy access. So there we go. I use 2 just for my brushes because I like to do them in rainbow order. But then you literally can put them right. Actually, let's turn them this way. So you can see the prettiness of them, right? Because that way they're also not contaminating each other and accidentally. Because I used to keep them in this little box. Where'd the box go? I used to keep them. Oh, I lost the box. Used to keep them in a little clear box, but then they could touch each other. We don't want them to touch each other because we don't want the ink to get anywhere. So this holds a ton. I don't know how many.
Stephanie Connie wants to know if it'll hold markers.
Yes, but wait, my friends, there's more because it will also hold your 3D inks. Ding, ding, ding. Here's my 3D inks. Also, a cool thing about this, you guys, on your 3D inks, I really want you to store your 3D inks on here. Why? Because the ink or the 3D ink will go to the tip. So it's going to be ready to go, right? You're not going to have to wait for it to get, you're not going to have to squeeze it to get it down there. It's going to be ready to go. So these are the ones that I grabbed so far just to show you, but I'm going to get all of mine in here. So now they will be out on my, on my shelf. So I will use them more often, right? So I can use them more often. I will be able to grab them, get them, and use, right? So there we go. That's that. But wait, there's more because my friends, they literally will hold anything. So look at this one. Look at this one. This one is holding, oh, where's 2? There it is. This one is holding my glue. That's very important. Now, again, I'm not going to be squeezing that glue bottle for 10 minutes, right? I threw a brush in there just so you can see the brush. I have my glitter pens in here. So, you can't see the glitter pens. There you go. There's 3 glitter pens in here. I have my tweezers in here, easy access, right? I have my scissors in here, again, easy access. I have my glue pen in here, again. Now the glue will be at the tip, ready to go. So it is holding a whole bunch of different thicknesses. It is holding I don't know how big that is, but look, that's a decent size. Now, one thing, let's try a regular pen. Let's do a regular pen because there's different size holes. So, holding regular pen now. So now I'm having, let's do Stephanie's lotion because Stephanie likes having lotion around. So I'm just going to open that up. Now it's holding my lotion. So it's going to hold you guys. Oh, let's get my lip gloss. So let's get my little lip gloss in the front. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to put one in my bathroom for my makeup because look, there is my little brush right there. I mean, my little lip gloss right there. So you guys, it is literally holding everything. Now, am I going to run around the house moving this around? Well, I kind of could, but something eventually would fall out. So this is like when it's on your shelf, on your desk, ready to go, but I can move this around. I can move it around. Lost my one thing, but I can move it around, get access to it, and use it, right? So you're going to be using this, seriously, you guys, for everything. I'm excited to hear what you guys, hi, Shanika. I'm excited to hear what you guys are going to, Shauna, I'll try to use some ink today. Cheryl is famous on our design team, is famous for using the 3D inks. It is an organizer, Paula. I'm very excited to see what you are going to use it for. Bonnie says the holders are very nice, but she doesn't have room to keep them out. I have a little tip for you, Bonnie. So I understand some people are working in smaller spaces. I totally get that. What you could do, though, is have 2 of them. And let's say you get out your buddy bag that has a 3D inks. And you're like, oh, I want to use the 3D inks. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put it in here right now on my desk while I'm working right this second. So I can grab them and the ink will be at the bottom where it's supposed to come out. Or you're like, oh, okay, well, you know what? I want to use my brushes, so I'm going to drop my brushes in there right now and then take them out and put them back in your buddy bag if you're using buddy bags. So you could totally do that. Could you please show us the top of that organizer? Absolutely, my love. I love when you guys ask good questions. There is the 3D inks. Here is the I got everything in here one. There we go. Here is the brush one. There we go. So you can kind of get an idea of, and see, that's a good question because let me move that over just a little. Let me show you. There are different, can you tell how excited I am about these? I'm so glad I finally get to show these to you. There are different size holes. So some of them are larger like this one. Some of them are smaller like this one. Yes, that brush will fit in the smaller one. It's silicone, you guys. It's going to, it's stretchable. It's movable. It's going to grip whatever you put in. Oh, grab my finger. Look, it's moving. So you literally, oh, look, see? Look, I'm holding it with my finger. Look, okay? That's in a smaller hole. So you're going to literally, wherever, oh, and that just popped out a little. That's okay. But you're just going to put it wherever, look. And you know what? I'll be honest, I don't go, okay, it's got to go in this one. I just throw it down. I don't think about it. I don't think I know about it. I don't really care about that. So Terry said that you could use these fit in a 5x7 paper taker. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. So that's a perfect option. So there you go. That is I don't want to call them a brush holder, you guys, because it's so much more. It's so much more. Hi, Deborah. Hello. I'm glad you're here. Chris said, I missed it. Will the pink papers be kept in stock? Yes, but not on flash sale. So they're on flash sale right now. I'm going to do my best to keep them always in stock because you know what? In 2 years, you're going to use all the ones you bought today and you're going to need more. In 6 months, you might need more. I'm always going to try to keep them in stock. But, you know, we run out and they'll never be on flash sale again. So tool holder, Kathy, I love that tool holder. So yes, so this has my logo on it because I don't want you to ever forget me. And there you go. So tool holder, there is your tool holder. Will these holders always be kept in stock? Probably not. I don't know. My MOQ, meaning the minimum order quantity, you know, every company, every factory has an MOQ. And it depends on what their MOQ is for reorders. If it's a small number, then yes, I can keep them in stock. If it's a large number, like my first initial order, probably not. I just don't know what the reorder is going to be. Rachel says, I'm using the brush holders for one of my craft room downstairs and one upstairs. See, there you go. Hi, Polly. Hello. Ken is rooting for the Eagles. And so am I, because I'm all for the underdog.
Yeah.
I'm all about the underdog. I'm on David's team, not Goliath's. Okay, there you go. So that is the brush holders. Okay, I'm going to move on. And somebody had asked me to use 3D inks. I will. I'm going to make one of these mustard. Okay, so hang on. Let's move these. So I'm going to put these over here for now. I'm madly, deeply in love with them. I love that they have our name on them because that's cool.